Hello! Welcome back to Speak English Every Day. Do you want to start speaking English confidently today? Great! In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 simple sentences you can use every day. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to say them naturally, just like a real English speaker. So grab your notebook, repeat after me, and let's get started. Sentence 1. I am happy. This means you feel good or pleased. For example, you can say, I am happy because it's a sunny day. Now you try. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am happy. Perfect. Sentence 2. I am tired. Use this when you feel sleepy or need rest. For example, I am tired after work. Now you repeat after me. I am tired. I am tired. Awesome. Sentence 3. I like coffee. This is how you say what you enjoy. For example, I like coffee in the morning. Repeat with me. I like coffee. I like coffee. Great job. Sentence 4. Please speak slowly. Use this when someone is talking too fast. For example, excuse me, can you please speak slowly? Now you repeat. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Perfect. Sentence 5. What is your name? This is a very important question when meeting someone new. Let's try a mini conversation. Me. What is your name? You. My name is John. Repeat after me. What is your name? My name is John. Excellent. You just had a real English conversation. Wow. You just learned 5 simple English sentences. Remember, practice a little every day. Try saying these sentences out loud 3 to 5 times today. And here's a tip. Use them in real life. Talk to friends, family, or even yourself in the mirror. It really helps you remember. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get your daily English sentence. Comment below which sentence was your favorite today. I love reading your comments. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.